Yes. Make up your mind. As a football man, what? Tickle your granny, man. We're watching Manchester United, okay? Because we are champions of Manchester United. Come on. I find this Let's go, people. Window. Yeah. Blood cup, what have you done? Beat it! Oh, come on! Oh my God!
Just running on what he's trying to do.
God, and bomba car, fuck you, man. Who got any blood clot fuck you start already? Who got any blood clot fuck you already, brother? Look for him. Come on. 2 chances to get the Sesko. 2 bomba car chances that. Come Mr. Prampy, man. You get one, couldn't get a create a chance, but you can get your half chance. You have to score too. Come on, man. So from people, brother.
McGee holds offshore, gets the pass out wide for Rogers, stretching, scampering, keeps the ball in play. Morgan Rogers!
What, bro? What more, bro? And score back? Thank you, God. Them score back. Fuck yes. Shit. Well, thank you. Fucking hell.
For Jorgu. Oh, there's the header! That would be 2-2. Places 38, you won't get an easier chance than this. Absolutely on the plate, in between 2 defenders, look. And the ball is perfect. All he has to do is just throws his head.
Oh my God!
A really big miss. Watch his manager here. Cannot believe it. The start off for Christmas week. England second city.
Well, I'm side, you're getting sacked in the morning. You don't mind getting sacked in the morning. Well, not necessarily still, but still, brother. It's over with, fam. It's over with, bro. It's over. Fucking over, bro. Fucking over, bro.